Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Aventador Roadster and this is by CCA, Cool Chicato and our MSZ. So again, I bought this for somewhere around 400 rupees. This is an imported item. I didn't buy this in India. So with that said, let's get into this casting. So by the way, these are licensed. If you guys are new to the channel, or if you guys directly watching this video, and you didn't watch yesterday's video, so I'm just telling you guys these CCA castings are licensed, so you can get that one. So even nowadays it is available in India, but price point is a bit on the higher side. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really beautiful, and it has some scratches on the windshield. So that is something, like only mine has. Yours might not have that if you are purchasing this. So it has painted headlight details, and it has the Lamborghini logo here. So the logo is there. It is not very clear, but this there it is not messed up. And you can see the wiper detailing here, and you can see the interior here. So interior looks really nice, and it is unique to this casting. So even all the detailing here, it actually looks really nice. Specifically the door handle details here, it is really good. It actually made me feel like you can push that. So the grill details are there, which is really nice. And you are having this rear view mirrors here. It's really good. And okay, this has tail light detailing here. It is painted, but it is there. And so looks like CCA does detailing on the rear as well. So only that Huracan missed that out, I guess. So we do have that one more Nissan which we are going to unbox tomorrow. So we need to see whether that actually has a tail light details. Okay, so it has the engine detailing here. It has acrylic pieces here for that see-through engine bay. Okay, so the body is fully metal, including this part here, the roof here. So this is matte black, which is really nice and smooth to touch. And the chassis is fully plastic. So the rims are nothing, the wheels are nothing like special or anything. So these are this brand's main line. So these are something pretty common. Even the Huracan which we unboxed yesterday, it actually had the exact rims. Only the color is different. Let me show you one more time. You can see this here. So both of these are actually same. The only difference being that is matte black, and this is like coated in silver or chromed out. So I really wish they could have went with the same set of rims for this one, instead of chroming that out. That would have looked really nice, because black and green always goes really well. Okay, so with that said, this one actually has working suspension. Let's test that out. Yeah, it is smooth. It's not really that tight. And one good thing I missed to mention yesterday also, this one actually has screws instead of rivets. So if you guys like customizing, this would be a good brand and casting to do, because scale wise it looks really nice. And paint job, I don't see much of an issue, and it has all the detailing as well. So this would look really nice if you customize with like beautiful set of tires and all. So it has exhaust details also here. It looks really good. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Maybe 30 to 32 grams. Let's see. Okay, 30 grams. Okay, now let's do a roll test. Fits the track, but it doesn't roll. It stops here. Okay, let's try here. Even here it doesn't roll. You can see this wheel is not getting in touch with even the mat, unless and until I'm actually pushing here and holding my finger down and pushing it. So end of the day, kids are going to play like this only. They are not going to push it every time. So that I agree, like at least most of the time. So overall, it's a beautiful casting, and it is really neat, and scale wise also it looks really good compared to Hot Wheels or even Majorities in that case. This looks really good. So, okay, let's rate this casting since we know now that CCA does taillight details. So let's do rating in that way. So rolling aspect, I'm not sure how we are going to consider that, but for now we are going to consider that. So this is not rolling really well. So I'm taking point 0.5 out of 10. But apart from that, it has all the details, at least the necessary details which we look for. And when it comes to the casting, they did a really nice job. So 9.5 out of 10. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.